Best position to stand in a standing desk like this? Well, the same rules generally apply as when you're sitting. You can apply those, and here's some handy hints for standing as well. Firstly, I see a lot of people standing like this with their hips pulled forwards like this, so they're pulling down, compressing in the lower back and compressing in the neck here to use their standing desk. So if that's you, bring your hips back so you feel much more weight coming onto the heels of your feet, and just look how much that improves your posture. Secondly, now you've got yourself standing well, consider where your arms are in relation to your desk. See here, this desk is too low, which means I'd have to pull down to use it, and if it were too high, it would be pressing into your arms. The ideal position is where your arms here are at about 90 degrees, so your forearms are flat to the floor, forearms are parallel to the floor, with a keyboard and mouse resting nicely and easily in those hands like that. Third, make sure your screen's at the right height as well. Here you'll notice about eye height is around the top of the screen there, which is great, and normally for most people it's about arm's length away, depending on your eyesight and the nature of your glasses if you use them. Some people will use a comfortable mat under their feet so that the floor's a bit softer for standing for longer periods of time. Other people will use one of these sit-stand style chairs like this one, the Movably Pro. And also I think it's generally a good idea to make sure you move from sitting to standing regularly every half hour or so if you can. You don't want to be stood for 8 hours a day any more than you want to be sitting for 8 hours a day either.